3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Allison! Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha! Happy birthday, dear Allison! Happy birthday to you! You look like Brubaker.
Hey guys. I love you.
Happy birthday, Allison! We're so excited it's your birthday.
Yay! It's running.
20, 20, 20, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0. We're eating cookies. We're eating cookies that look like cow patties. I bet you'd eat one for $5. I know, that's like, Allison, because you turned 20, we wanted to go back and reminisce times when you were at your best. Number 1, I wasn't here, but I wanted to tell this story because I had this. One time, Allison said, well, I mean, I did a horse turn for $5. That's what it was. Y'all were saying, what you would do.
It was a pair of Costas.
What is it?
A pair of Costas. Costa del Mar sang that.
She said she needed a dog turn.
A horse turn.
For Costas?
Yeah. In general. She was like, I mean, I need a horse turn. We were like, okay, so one time we were talking about, she said, I mean, he was hammering, but there was no nail.
I don't know that one.
I can't say any names.
And the countless times that Allison has told me, Joel, go take out the pumpkin crap on the porch.
Alright, Joel, today's the day.
Yeah.
Taking it out.
You're not leaving until you take out the pumpkin
Take
stuff.
out the pumpkin stuff.
The pumpkin stuff still sits there today. Oh, and then there was the time that Allison, what was, I know, we can't tell every part of the story. But, Allison was in the kitchen, and all of a sudden, me and Ashley here, Joel, Ashley, get in here. So me and Ashley, are right there at the door, so we walk in, and, Allison, wait, we gotta demonstrate this. So Allison's in the kitchen, right? Me and Ashley walk in, demonstrate us walking in. So we're standing there, and this is what we hear. Y'all, there are natty bugs everywhere! Get them! Quick, Joel, get a paper towel and start getting them. They're everywhere. Ashley, open the door, open the door. There are natty bugs everywhere. They're all over me. They're on me. They're on me. It was that bad.
Okay, so one time we were in the 5th grade. And, no, we were in the 6th grade because we were going to China for cheerleading. And me and Allison were like, come on, Ashley, we can do this.
Do it!
With nobody else helping us. And so we're like, alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever you say. We gotta do that right. On the ground. And she didn't say anything. Her eyes wouldn't even open. We looked over like, are you dead?
This is you and Allison?
And Ashley laid me down on the ground. And then Boyd came and he made her get up and act like she was really alive.
Okay, I'll tell this one. Okay, when Allison was in kindergarten, on the last day of school, when all...
She had his big buzzing cast inside of her head.
like Minnie Mouse. So, last day of school, all the buses are going to get the kids. And Allison makes everybody line up with a bubble. So she can give them a hug and kiss them on the cheek
And
goodbye.
then she cried.
Because everybody was leaving for the summer.
She did. She had one of them phones back at home. That big red bow in her hair. And her hair was this long.
So we just want to say, Allison, through all those times, we love you.
I love you.
And we care for you. And we'll probably deny knowing you if you do anything like this in public with us. Okay? Love you. Have a great 20th birthday. We're going to sing the song again. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you!